Hey, welcome back to Between the Keys, another jazzy tune from the Fallout games. This is Atom Bomb Baby by the 5 Stars. The 5 Stars with Atom Bomb Baby. This is G major, this song. It's in G major. Goes from G to D. There's a D major chord, D major. And it also goes to G7. Sometimes we're going to use G7, C sharp diminished. We're going to use that one too. That would be normally here. C, E, C sharp, E, G, A sharp. But I'm just starting it on the G, so I'm playing it here. That would be another voicing for it. D and G. Let's try the first verse anyway. We actually go with a bit of intro. G to D. That's your rhythm. And in the bass I'm just playing root notes, G and sometimes D. Like this. Maybe it's a little faster than that. G to D for the verse. Got a dog, baby, I love her so. Nothing else like her anyway. Man, she's anything but calm. A regular pint-sized atom bomb. Atom bomb, baby, little atom bomb. I want her in my wigwam. She's just the way I want her to be. A million times hotter than TNT. Alright, so that was kind of maybe fast, right? So I went from G to D for that first verse. Gotta know, baby, I love her so. Nothing else like her anywhere you go. Back to D. G again. Man, she's anything but calm. That's G. A G7. And I'm playing a B in the bass. So, man, she's anything to C major. Man, she's anything C major but calm. There's that C sharp diminished I warned you about. A regular pint-sized atom bomb. D major back to G. A regular pint-sized atom bomb. And I said G and D in the bass and root notes, but actually I'm kind of doing like a walking bass, which is kind of like the blues bass. Kind of like that. Man, she's anything but calm, a regular pint-sized atom bomb. Alright, let's move on to the chorus. We go to C major. Atom bomb, baby, little atom bomb. Back to G and up to D. I want her in my wigwam. G to C again. She's just the way I want her to be. C to G and D. A million times harder than TNT. That chorus again. C major. Atom bomb, baby, little atom bomb. I want her in my wigwam. She's just the way that I want her to be. A million times harder than TNT. G. B-A-D. So G to D for that interlude, same as the intro. And here's that left hand again. I'm just making that up, I'm ad-libbing that bass line. That's just something that I knew would work, and so that's what I'm playing. Back to the verse. Atom bomb baby on G. Atom bomb baby, loaded with power. Radioactive as a TV tower. That's just G to D twice. G to D. And now the G again. A nuclear fission. There's your G7 again. C in her soul. C sharp diminished. Loves with electronic control. Atom bomb baby, little atom bomb. The chorus. I want her in my wigwam. C, G, D, G, TNT. The chorus again is C to G, D back to G, wigwam. She's just the way that I want it to be. D major and back to G, and then back to the interlude. Atom bomb baby, start. One of those chain reactions in my heart. A big explosion, big and loud. It mushrooms me right up on a cloud. Atom bomb, baby, little atom bomb. I want her in my wigwam. She's just the way that I want her to be. A million times hotter than TNT. Bum, bum, bum. If you wanted to do a little solo on this, you'd probably use that G pentatonic scale with a slide in the middle off the B flat, because we're using major chords and that's kind of like the happy blues. And we finish with atom bomb baby, sweet as a plum, carries more wallop than uranium. When she kisses, there's no hitch. 0 hour, she turns on a switch. Atom bomb baby, little atom bomb. I want her with my wigwam. She's just the way I want her to be. A million times hotter than TNT. And they sing atom bomb baby, little atom bomb. Backing vocals, little atom bomb, and I finished there with G6, 6 on top. Sounds nice way to finish the song. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, click like and subscribe. As always, you can put comments below if you enjoyed it. Write whatever you want. You can say nice things if you like. You can request other songs and I might teach them. Check out this Roland FP-30X. It's a piano and I like it. It'll be in the description. And the paid and the pinned comment below as well. And those affiliate links do support the channel. Cheers, see you in the next one.